everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to talk about something we all care about, our hair. Taking care of your hair is essential for keeping it healthy, shiny, and strong. So in today's video, we'll be sharing 10 effective ways to take better care of your hair. Let's get started. Number 1. Stick to a proper hair care routine. This means washing your hair regularly with a suitable shampoo and conditioner, and also incorporating a weekly deep conditioning treatment. Remember to choose products that are specifically formulated for your hair type and avoid over-washing, as it can strip away natural oils. Number 2. Be gentle with your hair. When washing or brushing your hair, use a wide-toothed comb or a brush with soft bristles to minimize breakage. Avoid rough towel drying, and instead gently squeeze out excess moisture. Number 3. Protect your hair from heat damage. Before using any heated styling tools, such as hair dryers, straighteners, or curling irons, always apply a heat protectant spray or serum to create a barrier between your hair and the heat. Number 4. Embrace air drying. Whenever possible, let your hair dry naturally instead of using heat. This helps to prevent damage and reduces the amount of heat exposure your hair experiences. Number 5. Trim your hair regularly. Regular trims are essential for removing split ends and preventing them from traveling up the hair shaft. Aim for a trim every 6 to 8 weeks to maintain healthy hair growth. Number 6. Nourish your hair from within. A balanced diet rich in vitamins, minerals, and proteins is crucial for healthy hair. Include foods like salmon, eggs, nuts, and leafy greens in your diet to promote hair growth and strength. Number 7. Protect your hair from the sun. Just like your skin, your hair can be damaged by harmful UV rays. Consider wearing a hat or using hair products that contain UV filters to shield your hair from the sun's damaging effects. Number 8. Avoid excessive chemical treatments. Frequent coloring, perming, or relaxing can weaken and damage your hair. If you do choose to undergo chemical treatments, make sure to give your hair enough time to recover between sessions. Number 9. Be mindful of how you tie your hair. Avoid using tight rubber bands or hairstyles that put too much tension on your hair, as it can lead to breakage and hair loss. Opt for gentle hair ties, braids, or loose hairstyles instead. And finally, number 10. Stay hydrated. Drinking an adequate amount of water daily helps to keep your hair and scalp hydrated from within, promoting overall hair health. And that's a wrap on our 10 tips for taking better care of your hair. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to maintaining healthy hair. Implementing these habits into your routine will make a noticeable difference in the long run. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more hair care tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.